Now we discuss about some three formulas. Triple x, sin triple x is equal 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. When 4 came, power 3 came. 3x, 3 start, 3 sin x minus 4, 4 came to sin cube x. Sin, cos 3x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This term here, but cos, in terms of cos. Sin. Now cos, but here second term first term second. Sin 3x is equal starting with 3, but cos 3x is starting with 4. When 4 came, power 3 came, remaining is 3 cos x. Sin 3x is equal to 3 is sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x is 4 start, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Tan 3x is equal 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Here both are the minus. This minus, this is also minus. Here how many 3's came? Here 3x, now 3, here 3. 3 times of 3 came. 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. But only cos is uska reverse. Very important. This triple x formulas are write 2, 3, 5 times or read so many times. Now 25 question, like 25th question in that exercise 3.3 last question. Cos 6x, 6 times of x is in terms of x only. In terms of x only. 6x is equal to 2 into 3x. Now it is one term x. Cos 2x. Instead of x it is 3x. 2 cos k 3x minus 1. Why I am using this formula? See this. Cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Already you know formula. And 2 cos square x minus 1, it is also second formula. If you write here 1 minus 2 sin square x, third formula. Now observe which formula is suitable for this. It has 3 types of formulas. Which formula is suitable? Here what is the last number? Last number is minus 1. Minus 1 is here. That's why select this one. Select this formula to get the minus 1. 2 cos k 3x minus 1. Cos 3x whole square. Now cos 3x formula is, what is cos 3x? Cos 3x is equal, beginning with 4 or 3. Cos is second or first in trigonometry. Trigonometry first is sin, second is cos. Sin first, cos second. 3 first, 4 second. Now start with 4. When 4 came, so cos cube x. 4 came to cube minus 3 cos x. This is the formula of cos 3x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square. A minus b whole square, a square, 16. Cos cube whole square is power 6. Now b square, 3 square, 9 cos square x. Minus 2ab, 2 into 4 into 3. 4, 3, 12 into minus 24. Cos cube into cos. Cos cube into cos is cos power 4. Now multiply by 2 and you can get the answer, but it is the second term is minus 48, here third term is 48, so write it is the second term, it is the third term, and last one is minus 1. Okay, this is the process. It is important question, maybe 6 marks question. Some formulas in the textbook. These formulas are not useful in the subjective way. It may be useful in objective. That's why I explain this. 2 cos A cos B. Here product. Product convert into plus. Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Actually transformation formula is plus convert into product. Cos x plus cos y is equal to cos x plus y into cos x minus y. Plus convert into product or minus convert into product. But here product convert to plus. Cos of A plus B formula is cos A cos B. This is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now this is this term cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now when you are adding these two, then this will be cancelled. These two terms cancel. Cos A cos B 2 times k. If you subtract here, take the minus. Now it will be cancelled. So this is also minus. This is also minus. Minus 2 times k. This is the product convert into plus minus. Similarly, 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Here plus means first term came. First term is sin A cos B first term. Here minus means second term. Second term is 2 cos A sin B. Now cot of x plus y is equal to cot y cot x minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. Actually, you may write it the cot x, cot y, cot x plus cot y also. X first, y second also. But remember, my logic is tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Already you know this formula. Now this is reciprocal, reverse. Reverse though, it is numerator, it is denominator. Now what is the first term in the numerator? 1. But it is 1 is next. So again ulta. Reverse is 1 minus tan by tan plus tan. Now reverse. This is first, this is second. Now it is minus 1. It is also reverse. That's why I am writing it is easy process. Cot of x minus y is equal cot y cot x plus 1 by cot y minus cot x. Here tan of x minus, if it is minus, then minus came here came to denominator minus. It is the cot formula, sum of angles and difference of the angles. Now example 17. It is also one important question. Prove that this bada it is called tan x, bada 1. Numerator how many terms? 3 terms. If 3 terms came, then write the 2 terms one side, and then the transformation chahiye. Kyun transformation chahiye kyun? Kya? It is single term. The single term, so here some terms must be combined together. So plus or minus convert into product. So I am writing first and last here. Now remaining these. Sin x plus cos sin y formula, transformation formula into product. Cos x minus cos y minus 2 sin. I apply the formula. 5x plus x, 5x minus x, 5x plus x, and 5x minus x. It is a sin sine cos minus 2 sine 3x. Here how many terms in numerator? Okay. How many are in denominator? Denominator only one term. This there is no plus or minus. It is product. So this 4i is एक term, एक है. In numerator, two terms. This is one, this is second one. That's why it is not cancelled. It is not cancelled because it is a plus addition is there. So here 6x by 2 is 3x. Here 3x. 2 sin 3x common करो. Now it is 4x by 2 is 2x. Here minus 1 upon this same value. Now it is the numerator is this into this product is there. So it is single term. It is a single term. Now cancel. Cancel हो गया तो minus के minus sin 2x numerator cos 2x minus 1. Now this is remaining. This remaining in this it is two terms, but it is RHS one term. That means it must be converted into single term. Now how to eliminate 1 in cos 2x? Here minus 1. So plus 1 ja here to eliminate. So 1 next to minus 2 sin square x. This is cos 2x. Minus 1. Now minus 1 plus 1 cancel to minus 2 sin square x. Sin square x I am writing sin x into cos x. Here minus sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. 1 sin cancel, 2 cancel. Minus minus also cancel. Sin x by cos x is remaining. That is tan x. It is some different problem. Transformation formula, cos 2x formula, sin 2x formula. 3 type of formulas is needed to answer this example. Example 27. This is 1 mark question or maybe 4 mark question also. Find the value of tan pi by 8. Pi by 8 is, pi by 4 is 45 degrees. Now pi by 8 is equal, that is tan 22.5 degrees. 22.5. That is tan pi by 8 is 22.5 degrees. This value find out this. Now I am putting 2x is equal to pi by 4. Now x is equal to pi by 8. Taking tan on both sides. Tan 2x is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan 2x का formula. What is the formula of tan 2x? 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x is equal to 1. Now cross multiplication. This is negative terms right this side. Now is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Look like x square plus 2x minus 1 equal 0. Now x is equal, this power by x is tan x. X is equal minus b plus minus, already you know formula. Here what is b? Plus 2. So minus 2 plus minus root of b square 4 minus 4ac. Actually minus 4 minus of minus plus 4 it is 8. 8 is equal to 4 into 2. 4 root is 2, 2 root 2. Now take 2 common out, then 2 cancel to minus 1 plus minus root 2. Here take 2 common, now 2 cancel, minus 1 plus minus root 2. Tan x value is, there are the 2 values. Therefore tan pi by 8 is equal minus take 1 time, plus minus, here plus take 1 time, minus take 1 time. But 2 values, is it possible in one trigonometry? Same angle, pi by 8, it is also pi by 8. Not possible. Exactly one angle, it gives the only one value. So 1 is failed. Now how to consider which is the correct, which is failed? How to say? Clearly pi by 8 is 22.5 degrees. 22.5 degrees is lies in which quadrant? As first quadrant. In the first quadrant, every trigonometric function is positive. So this tan pi by 8 also positive. Tan pi by 8 greater than 0. So tan pi by 8 is, I am taking this minus 1 minus root 2. Therefore, two minuses come together for a minus value. But it is positive only. So it is failed. Tan pi by 8 does not equal to this one. Now what is the conclusion? Tan pi by 8 is equal minus 1 plus root 2. That is root 2 minus 1. Root 2 is approximately 1.4. Minus 1 is approximately 0.4. It is positive, greater than 0. If you write up to this, then half marks only. Next step is important. Because it is two values not possible, though one value is failed. Now which value is failed? Decide it, then answer correct.